Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to log in Desjardins bank account. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for this keyword. As you can see here, search for Desjardins. This is a keyword. Click the first website here and then you will see this page. In this page, click on this option, login option, the top right corner. From this login option, choose your any bank you want to log in. For example, the first one, the second one is broken. This is online. You will see this page. When you click the second page, you will redirect it to login page. So this is for login page. Just write your email address and then write your password. After that, click login. This section for login. If you want to log in with app, just download this Desjardins app on Google Play App Store. Download this app as you can see here and then complete your login process. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video.